Welcome back. Based on the calculations we made to determine the volume that is required for the preparation of 1 molar dilute sulfuric acid from concentrated sulfuric acid, we said it was 54.4 ml of the concentrated sulfuric acid that we will use in the preparation of 1 molar dilute sulfuric acid. Practically, this is how it is being done. This is the sulfuric acid with all the information I told you from the manufacturer. This is a volumetric flask, 1000 ml. This is a measuring cylinder, deionized water, then the bottle to put it as a stock solution and keep it in the fume cupboard. Fast forward, the first thing we do is it is safety that we have to take into consideration, and in that case we need to wear our safety goggle. Secondly, you wear your gloves to prevent any splash of the acid, because acids are very, very corrosive. Thirdly, we need to start the procedure by measuring 500 ml of deionized water, that is distilled water, into the volumetric flask. This is 500 ml. This is 500 ml of deionized water. It's here. Secondly, we have to measure from the concentrated acid, we have to measure 54.4 ml. This is acid, 51, 52, and 53, 54. This is exactly 54.4 ml of the concentrated acid. The precaution, we need to put acid into the water, not water on the acid. Acid is more dense than water, so it must be put into the water so that the molecules can diffuse among the water molecules and the reaction will be okay. But should in case you added water on the acid, the water is lighter than, is less dense than water. Water is less dense than acid. It will flow on the acid, and that layer between the acid and the water can cause an explosion, and that can splash on your body, and this can cause a lot of hazard and like burns, a lot of things. So in that case, the concentrated acid must be added into the 5 ml of deionized water in the volumetric flask. As I'm doing it, I am swirling it. As I can observe it, in the course of addition of the acid into the water, there is evolution of heat. This is an exothermic reaction. There is evolution of heat. You have to make sure that all the acid in the measuring cylinder gets into the volumetric flask. Now, it's not yet done. It's not up to 1000 ml. So what we need to do is we have to use more deionized water to fill it to the 1000 ml mark. This is more deionized water. You have to fill it gradually. Okay, now it's almost getting to the point. So now, in order to avoid not missing the mark, this is it here. Look at it critically. We need to add it gradually using a dropping pipette. Exactly on the mark. If you look at it critically, you will see that it is exactly on the mark. It is exactly on the mark. Look at the mark here. It is exactly on the mark. You look it critically. So now, this is 1 molar dilute sulfuric acid that has been produced from a concentrated acid. What we need to do is, we need to cook it, we need to label it, we need to label it very well as 1 molar sulfuric acid. We need to label it as 1 molar sulfuric acid, 1 molar sulfuric acid, and then keep it in the fume cupboard for further laboratory activities. Maybe this is going to be stored as the stock solution. This is a stock solution of 1 molar dilute hydrochloric acid. From here, you can produce other dilute solution from there. So we put it in the biogas. Among other stock solution, this is here. We put it here among other stock solution for other laboratory or subsequent laboratory activities. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my website and continue to follow all lab activities that are going to be coming up. Thank you. Bye-bye.